Another day, another story. Artificial intelligence is a fast-growing emerging technology space. It is not a new area of technology, but with frequent and recent innovations it has now caught the attention of businesses, governments, and consumers alike. Strong ethical concerns need to be balanced with government regulations and business opportunities. There are a variety of privacy concerns as well as the fear of where this technology will lead humanity. Will it lead to our very destruction, or will it lead to a better future for humankind? The very nature of our existence and survival is the discussion surrounding this technology. As we struggle with these questions, entrepreneurs are building the next generation of products with artificial intelligence as a core part of their product offerings. Enterprises are looking for ways to use AI as a strategic advantage against competitors. Governments are using this technology to both protect their citizens as well as a tool against their perceived enemies. Of all the emerging technologies today, AI is one of the most explosive, feared, and most discussed technologies today. The decisions we make today will certainly determine the future to come. However, don't fear the technology, fear falling behind, because we are only at the beginning of this journey. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.